In this tutorial, we are going to do an application in order to practice how to use the gradient of a function f of x when given in the form of linear combination of ax power n in various applications. For this purpose, we are going to page 125, set of exercise 7D, exercise 2. Find the gradient of the curve with the equation y equal f of x at the point A, where we have part A and part B. We are going to choose part B and work it out. We have f of x and we have the point A. Then y equal, from the exercise, 3x squared plus 2x to the power minus 1. Then the gradient for y is f prime of x, that is dy by dx. dy by dx for f of x that we have is, we can do each term separately. 3 multiplied by n, that is 2 multiplied by x to the power 2 minus 1, plus 2 the same multiplied by n, that is minus 1 multiplied by x to the power minus 1, and we reduce 1. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 multiplied by x to the power 1, plus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. We can rewrite this as 6x minus 2 over x square minus 2. If we do it as in the reciprocal form, it will be 1 over x square. Then we have 6x minus 2 over x square. Now, in the second part of the question, we need to find the gradient at the point A. A is 2, 13. Then A to 13 is x, y coordinates. In order to find the gradient at this point, then we have to substitute x, that is 2, in f prime of x. Then f prime of 2 is equal to 6 multiplied 2 by 2 minus 2 divided over 2 squared. This is equal to 12 minus 2 over 4 equal to 12 minus 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. We can take a common denominator, that is 2. Then it will be 24 minus 1 equal to 23 over 2. And we can write it also as 11 and a half. Therefore, as you can see, in order to find the gradient of the curve, we found dy by dx, that is the same as f prime of x, using the methods that we learned, and then substituted x of the point A to be able to find the value of the gradient at this point.